Welcome to the presentation of Group 3's Blockchain Technology Roadmap, a 10-year strategic vision to build a secure, inclusive, and scalable digital finance ecosystem for the Philippines. From education and infrastructure to smart contracts and decentralized governance, every step brings us closer to a blockchain-powered future.
We begin by building trust and knowledge. In 2025, nationwide campaigns and school programs will promote crypto literacy and wallet safety in everyday language. By 2026, we roll out accessible cash to crypto services through mobile apps and sari-sari store partnerships, reaching even the unbanked. As we grow, the wallet evolves into a simple, powerful tool for remittances and payments, helping millions of Filipinos transact easily, securely, and affordably by 2034.
The shift toward digital inclusion is driving blockchain adoption across the Philippines. With mobile wallets like GCash becoming a daily habit, we now have the perfect gateway for faster, cheaper financial tools built on blockchain. At the same time, government agencies are exploring blockchain for land titles, digital ID, and transparency, validating its use in public services. And with over 10 million Filipinos working abroad, there's growing demand for better remittance solutions. Blockchain delivers on all fronts: inclusion, trust, and global connectivity. Our roadmap begins by laying a strong foundation, working with regulators and schools to create blockchain education programs and a secure regulatory sandbox. By the late 2020s, we move into action with pilot projects in land titling, rural banking, and OFW remittances. And by 2035, we aim to launch a nationwide blockchain-powered payment system that connects banks, businesses, and citizens through fast, secure, and inclusive financial infrastructure.
From 2025 to 2029, we'll roll out tokenized real-world assets enabling secure transfers in at least 2 real use cases through the wallet. Between 2029 and 2033, we'll launch a decentralized ID system to enable wallet-based access to loans, remittances, and e-government services with adoption by partner LGUs or cooperatives into provinces. By 2034, integration of micro-investments and staking features directly into the wallet, offering retail-friendly ways to earn yields from tokenized savings or community investments, empowering over 10,000 users by reaching 50 million stake through wallet-based micro-investments.
Our platform's roadmap starts with the basics to power the future of digital finance in the Philippines. By 2027, we aim to deploy a wallet that supports Ethereum, BNB chain, and stablecoin transactions, optionally tied to coins.ph or a Philippine peso pegged asset for real-world usability. Next, from 2027 to 2030, we focus on speed and scale, integrating with layer 2s like Polygon, zkEVM, or Arbitrum, and enabling cross-chain bridges will allow sub-peso transaction fees and support for multiple chains. Finally, from 2031 to 2035, we'll launch a voice-enabled AI wallet and integrate decentralized identity with LGUs and sari-sari stores.
At the core of blockchain adoption are features that make it usable, secure, and scalable. We start by building digital identities and wallets that are intuitive, secure, and work across any device. Next, smart contracts will power public services, businesses, and individuals through trustless automation. With added interoperability, data privacy, and decentralized storage, we're creating a resilient digital foundation so every Filipino can build, transact, and thrive in the digital economy with confidence.
Opportunities, risk. In DeFi, opportunity and risk go hand in hand. From 2025 to 2027, we'll build a risk assessment framework to identify wallet vulnerabilities, regulatory gaps, and smart contract threats. Then, from 2028 to 2031, we'll add real-time alerts and partner with DeFi insurance providers to protect users from hacks and risky protocols. This ensures that our blockchain wallet stays secure, compliant, and user-friendly as we move toward full decentralization by 2035.
Technology. To power the future of blockchain in the Philippines, we begin by choosing the right foundations. From 2025 to 2027, we'll build on secure, developer-friendly protocols like Ethereum and BNB chain, launching smart contracts that are fast, efficient, and reliable. As adoption grows, we integrate Layer 2 scaling like ZK rollups to lower costs and enable millions of daily transactions. And by 2034, we'll embed privacy and compliance tools using zero-knowledge proofs, ensuring our system respects both users and local regulations. Technology isn't just the backbone, it's what makes trust and scale possible.
To build a secure, scalable blockchain ecosystem, we start with people. From 2025 to 2027, we focus on building strong in-house smart contract development skills, training engineers through bootcamps and certifications to write secure, gas-efficient code. As the system matures, our teams will gain cross-chain integration expertise, allowing the wallet to interact seamlessly with multiple networks like Ethereum, BNB Chain, and Layer 0. By the final phase, we train community leaders and product teams to manage decentralized governance and budgeting through DAO tooling, ensuring the future of the project is run by the people and for the people. Competence is the foundation that makes every layer of this roadmap possible.
First, from 2025 to 2026, we focus on blockchain and DeFi foundations. During this phase, we build our team's core understanding of blockchain technology, DeFi basics, stablecoins, and wallet mechanics through bootcamps, e-learning, and open source materials. Next, from 2027 to 2029, we move to smart contract security and optimization. Here, the goal is to strengthen our skills in solidity testing, formal verification, and vulnerability response, ensuring our contracts are secure and gas efficient. Finally, from 2031 to 2033, we tackle AI, analytics, and UX for Web3. This stage is all about enhancing the user experience by using Web3 analytic tools and integrating AI-powered personalization and financial coaching into our wallet platform.
Now, for partnerships. From 2025 to 2027, we'll partner with schools and local tech groups to boost blockchain literacy and early adoption. In 2028 to 2030, we'll collaborate with institutions like BSP and fintechs to roll out decentralized ID and remittance pilots. By 2033, we'll expand globally with DeFi and cross-chain partners to support overseas users. And by 2035, a DAO will lead partnerships, funding innovations through community votes and decentralized grants.
From 2025 to 2026, our focus is on core DevOps and blockchain node infrastructure. This involves deploying secure cloud-based nodes, backend services, and containerized pipelines for EVM-compatible blockchains. We'll also establish testnets and implement continuous integration and delivery for smart contract deployment. By the end of this phase, our DevOps stack will be fully operational with our first successful testnet transactions executed.
The standards track ensures our wallet is secure, compliant, and future-ready. From 2025 to 2027, we'll adopt Wallet Connect and stablecoin support for seamless multi-chain and local wallet use. By 2030, we'll align with BSP through privacy-preserving ID and remittance testing. And by 2035, we'll enable DAO-driven upgrades through open, community-approved standards.
In the next decade, our blockchain wallet becomes the foundation of financial freedom. We begin with ecosystem funding, then build a wallet that earns, saves, and grows with its users. From remittances to staking and spending, every tap becomes a step toward financial inclusion. By 2035, a DAO-managed treasury puts real power in the people's hands. Finance becomes fair, open, and truly Filipino. This is more than just technology. It's the beginning of a future we build together.
This is the full view of the roadmap. Our journey begins with the top layer, customers, trends, and strategic milestones. In 2025, we launched crypto awareness campaigns across schools and communities. This block is linked by arrows to the foundational technologies and standards below, signaling that education depends on secure wallet systems and trusted tech standards. The diamond icon here marks a major milestone. Over 50,000 people educated in crypto literacy, a critical step to building trust. By 2026, we roll out crypto access for unbanked communities, with dependencies connecting to wallet platforms, financial education, and local infrastructure. The milestone? Fully functional cash-in, cash-out services in 2 rural provinces. By 2029, we aim to scale into a national blockchain payment system, where the arrows trace back to identity systems, platform scalability, and regulatory compliance. Each milestone diamond charts our progress, from successful pilots to nationwide adoption. The middle layer showcases the core services, platforms, and wallet features, what everyday users will touch and experience. For example, tokenized real-world assets like land titles became tradables via wallet. This service block depends on customer access, interoperable platforms, and tech foundations, represented by the vertical arrows linking components together. Another critical feature is decentralized identity or DID, live by 2033, enabling secure wallet-based KYC and access to government services. Arrows indicate its dependency on secure tech and platform readiness. Each milestone diamond here represents real-world proof, DID systems adopted by LGUs, 50 million pesos staked via wallets, or AI-assisted contracts created by users. Moving down the chart, we enter the technology backbone. In early phases, developers establish smart contract infrastructure on scalable blockchains like Ethereum or BNB chain. This is foundational, shown by arrows supporting everything from wallet UI to identity services above. Next, we scale through Layer 2 integration and zero-knowledge proofs, reducing costs and enabling high-volume remittances. These layers power secure, fast payments, reflected in milestones like sub-1 peso transaction fees and support for 3+ blockchains. Competency and knowledge blocks show our human infrastructure, training engineers in smart contracts, cross-chain design, and DAO governance. These skills, visualized as arrows, empower the entire roadmap. At the bottom of the roadmap, we see the support systems that bring everything to life. From 2025, academic pilots and core DevOps systems support wallet testing and literacy programs. By 2028, public-private pilots and stablecoin rails expand financial access. Arrows here demonstrate the interconnectedness, how finance and infrastructure support tech, features, and services above. For example, revenue generation through wallet features ties directly to finance, partnerships, and standards. By 2035, we transition to DAO-based funding and governance, the ultimate milestone where the community leads development, budget allocation, and future innovation. Every arrow in this roadmap shows a dependency or prerequisite, ensuring that no component launches in isolation. Every diamond milestone is a checkpoint of tangible progress, from user adoption to infrastructure readiness. Together, this roadmap isn't just a plan. It's a layered blueprint for digital transformation, connecting people, technology, and opportunity.